Friends, in this video, we are going to learn how to create a drop-down list in Excel like this. So I'm Chandan and you are watching your channel easywithday.com. Let's begin creating a drop-down list in Excel. For creating drop-down list in Excel, we have only two steps. The first step is to create a master sheet. So let's create master sheet. I'm renaming this sheet as a master sheet. Okay. Now in the master sheet, what you need to do is you need to list out all of your products or whatever items you want to show as a item list. Okay. So for this example, I am writing shoe brands for creating a list. So let's start with Adidas, Nike, Puma, Mochi, and so on. Okay, you can select any of the column. It is not hard and fast to select any like particular column. Okay, so our first step has been done. We have created a list of the items which we want to see as a list. The second step is to create a working sheet, a new working sheet. The purpose of creating a master sheet is that you can lock this sheet so that no one can change. Okay, suppose you have given some files and probably by mistakenly you have created a list here and it got deleted, so your item list will also get deleted. Okay, so for security reasons we used to create a master sheet wherein we mention all of the items we want as a list. So our next step is to create a working sheet or whatever name you want to give it. You will have so much long particulars whatever you are creating or using this sheet for. So let's, for example, I am just creating 3-columnar table: serial number, buyer, and product. And suppose quantity sold, I'm creating a daily sales register. Okay, so the serial number would be like 1 2 3, doesn't matter, we are not concerned with that. Buyer maybe suppose XYZ ABC, and quantity sold whatever you want to put. Now we want to show the drop down list for this product column. You need to select the number of rows you want to select the drop down list for. Suppose if you get this number of rows filled, you can follow the same step for the subsequent rows. Okay, once you select this, you need to go on the data tab and click on this data validation icon. As you click on the data validation icon, here is the allow option, for which by default value is any value. Okay, we need to change it and select the list value. To change that, you just need to select and select the list option. As you select the list option, you will see the source field, which is the new field. Just click on the source field and head over to master sheet, where we have written our items which we need to show. You can select this way or you can select the whole of the column. If you select only the particular number of rows wherein data are available, if subsequently you add some of the fifth item, it will not automatically show to that list because you have only selected the fourth number of items. Okay, so that's why it is better to select whole of the column. So going further, if you want to add the fifth item, you can add it here and it will automatically start showing on that item list. So just select the column and press the OK option. So okay, we have done everything. If you see, we have a 4 item as a drop down list. Any place, if you see, all are available. Okay, now suppose I want to add the fifth item, suppose egos. Okay, so you only need to add here and it will start reflecting in the list you have made. Okay. So that's all. This is a simple step. Let me repeat it. You have just created a master sheet wherein you are keeping those item list. Once you do that, you need to select a particular row, click on the data tab, click on the data validation tool. From here you need to select the list option, click on source field and select this whole column. Just that. There are nothing much to do. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload new videos or new functions of the Excel. So have a good day till then. Bye bye.